Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive lesson on Power Query in Microsoft Excel. My name is Jimmy of YourExcelNinja.com, and I will be your instructor for this session. In standard Excel workflows, cleaning messy data is often a repetitive nightmare. Analysts routinely spend hours manually deleting blank rows, splitting columns, fixing date formats, and copying and pasting data from new files every single week. Power Query changes everything. It acts as an automated data pipeline that remembers every transformation step you take, turning hours of manual work into a single click of a refresh button. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to, number 1, establish a live connection to an external data source using Power Query Engine. Number 2, perform essential data transformation techniques, including column splitting, data type conversion, and row filtering. Number 3, use the Unpivot columns feature to transform unmanageable matrix-style spreadsheets into tabular data sets. And number 4, load clean data into a standard worksheet and automate future updates using the refresh pipeline. Let us begin by connecting to our raw unclean dataset. To begin transforming our data, we need to extract it from its source file. Navigate to the Data tab. Select Get Data and choose From Text/CSV, since our raw export is a CSV file. After selecting our file and clicking Import, Excel presents a data preview window. Rather than loading this unclean raw data straight into our grid, we will click Transform Data. This action launches the Power Query Editor, a dedicated sandbox workspace separate from the standard Excel grid where we can manipulate data safely without altering our original source file. Now that we are inside the editor, let's address our first structural issue. The product details column combines the ID, name, and category into a single text string separated by hyphens. To fix this, we right-click the column header. Select Split Column and choose by Delimiter. Power Query intelligently detects the hyphen. We click OK, and the engine cleanly distributes the text across 3 distinct columns. We will immediately double-click the headers to rename them to Product ID, Product Name, and Category for clarity. Notice the Applied Steps pane on the right side of your screen. Every action we take is recorded here as a macro-like step. If we make a mistake, we can simply click the X next to any step to undo it. Next, we must ensure data integrity by establishing strict data types. Excel can fail to aggregate calculations properly if numbers or dates are treated as text formatting. Look at the Order Date column. The icon indicates it is currently evaluated as a generic data type. we click the data type icon next to the header and change it to date. The text instantly normalizes into standardized system dates. Furthermore, real-world data often contains noise or missing values. In our revenue column, we have multiple rows containing null values due to canceled transactions. We click the filter drop-down button on the column header. Uncheck null and click OK. Power Query filters out those irrelevant records permanently from the pipeline. One of the most valuable features in Power Query is its ability to reshape data structures. Frequently, systems export reports in a wide format with months running horizontally across the top. While easy for human eyes to read, this structure is completely incompatible with database modeling or pivot table analysis. To transform this layout into a proper tabular format, we select our structural columns, product ID, and product name, right-click, and select Unpivot Other Columns. Watch how the wide columns collapse into a streamlined vertical format. Power Query converts our horizontal matrix into two tidy columns, one for the months and one for the corresponding numerical metrics. We rename this to month and sales amount. We have successfully turned a problematic spreadsheet design into a clean, database-ready records. Our data transformation pipeline is now complete. To return this clean data back to our Excel interface, we click the Close and Load drop-down menu in the top left corner and select Close and Load to. We will choose to output this data as a structured table on a new worksheet and click OK. Excel instantly constructs our optimized, polished table on the grid, ready for formulas, charts, or a data model. The true power of this setup lies in its automation. Next month, when your system exports a new raw data file, you do not need to repeat any of these cleaning steps. You simply replace the old source file with the new one. Right-click inside this green table and hit refresh. Power Query will automatically rerun every single step we recorded in the exact sequence, updating your reports instantly. In conclusion, let us review the structural data cleaning milestones we have accomplished today. First, we connected directly to an external data source without bringing unverified data into our workbook grid. Second, we corrected malformed text structures using the split column features and tracked our workflow via the Applied Steps panel. Third, we normalized dates and filtered out broken or missing null records to guarantee clean outputs. And finally, we used the advanced Unpivot feature to transform wide matrix spreadsheets into proper vertical tables. Incorporating Power Query into your everyday development workflows removes manual friction and establishes automated data pipelines that scale effortlessly.